Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to explore, in a few clicks, the river of conversations from your community with eCairn Conversation. In this example, we're looking at a project targeting the beauty cosmetics community. The river of conversation from this community can be found in the Conversations tab. In this tab, eCairn Conversation aggregates all the conversations published by any source from your community. There, I can do a one-time search, and I can also configure topics to track conversations about my brand, my competitors, or any subject having values for my business. In this video, we're going to pick the example of Lancôme as a topic. Now, as you can see, the big river of conversation has been transformed into a small stream of conversations coming from the community, which contain Lancôme in them. There I can look at each conversation one by one, but I can also analyze them as a group by using the Explore feature. When I do, a new window will be opened by conversation. The new window is divided in three different parts. There is a list on the left, which is basically the list of all the expressions that were found when analyzing those conversations. Then you have a cloud representation, and then you can see individual conversations below. I mean, obviously right now it's empty, but in a few seconds you will see what I'm talking about. So when we analyze all those conversations coming from the Lancôme topic, we extract the key expressions, and then we assign a sort of importance score to them. And that's a number between 0 and 100. So what you see here on the left in the list is the ranked list of expressions that were found. And there are 1,000 of them. Next, in the cloud, you see those 1,000 expressions. And the size of the expression is basically a function of the score given to the expression. What I can do now is I can click on one particular expression in the cloud, and next the conversations containing this particular expression will be displayed below. So here we can find, we found 53 conversations on Juicy Tubes. And then you can look at each conversation one by one if you want. Note that you can export the cloud either as a CSV file, but you can also export it into Wordle, which will allow you to display a really, really nice, colorful expression cloud, which you can then put into a report and share with your customer or with your management. So this is the basic functionality of the Expression Explorer. More advanced functionalities includes being able to narrow on a set of expressions that you think are maybe more relevant to you. So you can do that by selecting expressions in the list. So for example, you can select the top 50 expressions, and the cloud will match your selection, as you can see. And here you can select one particular expression, and you can select the second one if you click on Alt, and a third one. And what happens is all the conversations below are conversations that match at least one of the expressions highlighted above, and you can also select conversations that match all the expressions highlighted above. You can also select individual expressions in the list. So for that purpose, I will first deselect and select everything, and then click on one of them. Then I have to do Control and click on Juicy Tubes, and then you can see the two expressions that I've selected are now in the cloud, and I can do the export and so on and so forth. Now, when analyzing all those expressions, it's very possible that I find a new idea for a topic. So I could select a few expressions, and I decide to create a new topic. So this is something I can do by clicking on the Create Topic on the right of the screen. I give a name to my topic. Create. And I can see that new topic has been added here. This is the end of this video. I hope you will enjoy using Expression Explorer. Thank you very much.